Hey guys, this is Melissa from the House of Plaid Fuzz, and today I'm going to do an unboxing on my Erin Condren Fall Seasonal Surprise Box. I have not even really opened this because I saw spoilers as to what was in here. So you're going to get to go through this with me. This is exactly how I got the box. It was not sealed, which is, I guess, not a huge thing, but like, I don't know, that's a serious quality control issue. This box is really pretty. It's maroon. It says start each day with a grateful heart, and if you didn't know, you can turn these inside out and reuse them. Here's the thing that tells you what all is in here, what is a sneak peek, and what is an exclusive. Ordinarily, the tissue paper would have like a sticker on it, so this was just apparently kind of thrown in here as well. I'm going to go ahead and actually take all of this out and get rid of this box since I'm kind of working on a small area here. Alright, so first up we have this mechanical pencil. I don't know if I can get this out of here. I am actually pretty excited about this. I don't use a pencil a whole lot, but it's just nice to have a pencil. And I kind of like the fat barrel for a pencil. I like the color. So that I'm pretty excited about. This is a sneak peek. So apparently they will actually be making and selling mechanical pencils. So I was excited about that one. Next, we have this washi tape. And this is an exclusive. Oh no, this is also a sneak peek. The foiled washi tape, like Erin Condren has, they call it like paper tape, but they don't have anything foiled like this. This is just a really different look for them. Obviously, like the aqua and teal is kind of one of my favorite colors, so I will probably use that. It's an interesting pattern, I guess, but it will get used. I'm curious to see how sticky it is. I found the paper tape to not be very sticky in the past, which is sometimes good, sometimes bad, just depending on how you're using it. So next we have this sheet of puffy fall stickers. This is also an exclusive. Everything else from here on out is an exclusive, so I guess I can get rid of that. These are pretty. I like the colors. I love the like deep maroons with the like kind of aqua accents. Not really sure what the thought process is behind all of the puffy stickers. They're not practical to like put in your planner, but they are kind of fun to use. I have their other puffy sticker sheet, and I literally have not used one of them, but when I figure out what to use them on, I'm sure I'll be glad I have them. Next, we have this sticker sheet, which I love. I'm gonna actually take this one out so I can see it a little better here. Okay, this has this plaid, which obviously, I mean, you've seen my name. I love plaid. I love the peacock. We've got the gold foiled pumpkins and stuff. This is just super pretty for fall. And I like that there's kind of some different shapes, I guess, than their typical, like these, you know, like these big page flags and stuff I don't typically use. So this is fun. And these are like kind of the transparent stickers, so that is cool. Usually these washies I'll cut in half so I can use them like on both pages of my planner, but I like that. This is one of their clutches. I'm also going to take this out. I love these. This is maybe not quite as soft as the other one I have, but they're very soft. They're like fake leather, which, you know, obviously I'm vegan, so that's a plus in my book. It's a super pretty, like burgundy kind of wine color with the gold hardware, but the inside, if you can see that, is that pretty peacock kind of silk. So pretty. I have another one of these pouches. I mean, not the same one. It was the one that was in another seasonal surprise box, and I keep my mild liners in it. These are nice for like little makeup bags or to throw pens in or whatever, but super like that. This is like a little post-it note sheet. I'm not real shook either way about this. I will use it. The design doesn't really float my boat, but that's okay. I'll use it. Then we have these note cards. They have these in almost every seasonal surprise box. with the grateful heart, and then the peacock. These are kind of the gold foiled. And then it's got the envelope and the matching sticker in it. These are nice just for like when you want to quick write a note. This I'm super excited about. It's a cover. Obviously like I said, I like the plaid. This will definitely be my fall cover. I've seen some people putting the puffy stickers on this to kind of decorate it out. I'll have to see if I decide to do that or not. So let me put everything back out here. I know this was just a quick go through. Here are my thoughts. I'm actually really glad I ordered this box. If you've watched my other unboxing videos of the seasonal surprise boxes, I haven't liked the last couple of boxes at all, and you know, I was really disappointed in them, and I was honestly thinking about not even ordering this one because like they hadn't been sending planner stuff, and that's kind of why we're all into Erin Condren. So I'm really happy they kind of took the, I guess, constructive criticism and went with more planner items. I'll use absolutely everything in this box, so I guess they knew they needed to rope us back in because I will definitely order the next seasonal surprise box. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave my Erin Condren referral link in the box below. If you've never ordered before, you can get $10 off your first purchase. And it doesn't have to be of a planner, it can be of anything. And I will also leave my other referral links down there, so make sure you check that out, and my social media. So thanks so much for watching, guys. Have a great day.